Volkswagen is bringing back some fiery nostalgia with a modern electric twist. Meet the 2025 VW ID.3 GTX Fire+Ice, the rarest and most expensive electric hot hatch Volkswagen has ever produced. While the automotive world gears up for a future where GTI will become VW's flagship performance EV badge, the Fire+Ice edition stands as a bold and limited-run farewell to the GTX era. Unveiled with flair and retro influence, the ID.3 GTX Fire+Ice is more than just a trim package. It's a tribute to a cult classic. Drawing inspiration from the 1990 Volkswagen Golf Fire+Ice, this special edition modernizes a style icon for today's electric market. Developed in collaboration with the fashion brand BOGNER FIRE+ICE, this EV channels both performance and nostalgia. Let's start with the exterior, which balances retro roots with futuristic flair. Finished in ultraviolet metallic, it ditches the shimmering hues of last year's concept for a more production-friendly look. Still, it packs plenty of style, including a flaming red roof strip, custom fire and ice badging, and subtle matte decals on the C-pillars. It rolls on 20-inch Locarno alloy wheels, complete with anodized accents that coordinate with the bodywork, making it pop without overdoing it. Inside, the dual-tone cabin is where the concept really shines through. On the driver's side, you'll find fire red, while the passenger side cools things down with keep cool blue. Even the seats come with jacket-style zippers, echoing the sporty, fashion-forward aesthetic of the original. Other premium touches include contrast stitching, custom puddle lights, and top-tier comfort features. The equipment list is nothing short of luxurious. From premium sport seats with massage functions to a Harman Kardon sound system and an augmented reality head-up display, VW has packed the Fire+Ice edition with everything a modern driver could want. Add to that a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, and you have a hot hatch that's both high-tech and high-style. Under the skin, the performance remains unchanged from the standard GTX lineup. Buyers can choose between two configurations, a single rear-mounted electric motor producing either 282 horsepower or a more potent 332 horsepower in the GTX Performance trim. The faster version can launch from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 5.7 seconds, respectable but still a step behind the Golf R, which manages the same sprint in just 4.6 seconds. Both variants utilize a 79 kilowatt-hour battery pack, offering a WLTP-rated range of up to 591 kilometers. Fast charging support up to 185 kilowatts means that recharging from 10 to 80% takes just minutes, not hours. What truly sets this model apart is its exclusivity. VW will build just 1,990 units of the Fire+Ice edition, fewer than the 16,700 original Golf Fire+Ice models sold back in the 90s. In Germany, it's priced from 56,020 euros, or about $65,500, making it even more expensive than the Golf GTI Club Sport and the Golf R. This edition may not break records on the track, but it certainly commands attention. It's a rolling tribute to heritage, innovation, and style, wrapped into one of VW's boldest EV statements yet. Whether you're a nostalgic collector or a trendsetter in the EV world, the ID.3 GTX Fire+Ice offers a rare opportunity to own a piece of VW history with plenty of fire and just the right amount of ice.